What up? So this is an update so far on the Bondo. I should have done a video earlier, but yeah, I'm pretty much on my second smearing right now. I'm going on to my third, but what this is all the Bondo. It's really smooth, except for some spots where I know I'm missing some stuff, but it's really smooth. There's like a little bump right here. I'll fix that. But it's not bad for an amateur, man. Like, I'm pretty impressed with myself. But yeah, the top needs some work. You'll see some ridges. But what I sprayed right now is it's just primer. It's just a guide coat, so I can know how to where I'm missing spots and where my sander isn't going over. But yeah, man, this is fun as hell. A lot of sanding, a lot of work. I mean, I'm gonna get new bumpers. Getting new bumpers because one of them has spider cracks, and those usually are the worst to fix on urethane. I'll show you guys. These type of cracks, you can see I sanded it down. I could get some of them out, but these type of cracks where it goes under like that are a bitch to fix, and it's dented too, so I'm not gonna deal with the dented bumper. I mean, I could probably put body filler, but I don't really care. This one for sure is going to replace, because like I said, those cracks, they seep under, and I don't want to go through the trouble of finding out if they're deep or not, because even if I do find out if they're deep, I still can't fix it. And then this one, I might Bondo. This one's already painted, actually. I painted some of the green that I'm going to be using. It's all dirty and shit. But these like little rock chips, I might just Bondo this one. I'm debating it just because, like I said, there's like cracks under and it's just looks like dog shit. But this one's got paint already. You can see. Well, you can't try to see. It looks literally black, but it's green. It's a nice dark green. What I'm going for. It's primer to just did a little test coat, I guess, just to see what it's gonna look like. And I really like the result. So like I said, I'm gonna be Bondoing this bumper. All these little cracks and rock cracks and everything. Also has spidering as well. Oh crap. Yeah, it has spidering. Oh fucking A. Well, this one probably could get fixed. I didn't see those cracks before. And then obviously apart from this ugly ass gash. And then yeah, this big ass crack. Man, I really want to fucking just get another one. I really don't want to deal with this right now. I don't know, maybe I could just fuck around with it, but yeah, it is a bitch. Let's put some. Drop the little putty knife. Yeah, but this is a lot of work. I'm gonna have to time lapse this when I get back from lunch and grab some pizza, because I've just been craving pizza. but yeah, well, when I get back, I'll just continue a time lapse or something and pause on give updates in between. So far, this is stuff from like AutoZone Bondo repair kit. Good stuff. I've never used any body filler in my life, and it's so far really proud and happy with the result. But yeah, a lot of it. I know once I start painting it and once I put like the primer, I'm gonna see the imperfections, so I'm gonna have to resand it down again. It's a game of patience. But so far, I'm really happy with the result on the bottom. It's very smooth. Yeah, there's some spot, like I said, right here. I'm definitely missing a spot there, so I'm gonna be sanding it down. And whatever's left over is when I'm put some more the remainder of the body filler, and then just call it a day. And then yeah, I'll probably, I mean, if I have another can of primer lying around, I'll spray some primer. But yep, so far so good. So this is another update. Replace the Bondo. Looks all right. It's got some parts that I'm missing, but one more smear and I'm pretty much good. Like one more right here, one more right here, and it's golden. It's really nice. Came out really well. As I said in my last video, I'm gonna be painting from like here, you know, primer. I'll be priming every spot by sections, that way it's nice and evenly coated. Then I'll move on to the door, and then this section right here. Move on to the door in this section. But yeah, then the handle. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I hated pulling that thing off, but I'll paint it. And then it's gonna be the front. The fenders. Oh, just sleeping. Ate breakfast and I can't. Now they're just sleeping. This one I have to sand down in Bondo because it's rusting. But yeah, so far so good. And then it's off to this side. Oh, I didn't realize I sanded this on either. But yeah, it's water falling on this primer, so I have to sand it down again, and then that's rust. And then I'm gonna have to but yeah, if I divide everything up in quadrants, it should be good. Nice dark green. I got the bumpers here just chilling and shit. That's the green I'm going for. It's supposedly GM green, but it's dark forest green. You know, I'm trying to model it after the Porsche dark green. Oh my god, I love that dark green. So you don't really see too many dark green cars unless it's like an SUV. But yeah, and then one thing too, I think this car has an LSD. It's not an LSD transmission, so it's probably been, you know, added to it. But I went to go do a peel out one day, and both wheels were leaving marks. It could just be that both wheels had no traction, and then traction control just couldn't I don't know, split the torque to one side. That has, I don't know. This is the result of the Bondo. I got it kind of going. You can see a little bit of warpage, but that's because I fucked up at the end. I had it pretty much perfect, and then I put a little bit too much of a body filler on one part, and it just kind of like fell over. And I didn't notice it till I primed it, and I was like, oh shit. Like, oh well. But yeah, I'm gonna be masking. I want to mask this quarter panel, this rear quarter panel, and then prime all of it from here. At least just prime from here. And it's cracking again, but it's from the same spots. It just could be oh shit, is that? Well, that's just water. So I'm gonna have to sand it. I'm gonna have to Bondo some part, not Bondo, epoxy, and then sand it again, and then Bondo. It's not Bondo, primer. God damn it. Yeah, so I gotta do a lot of work. But and then I gotta remove the trunk and sand that down, and then prime that, and then paint it. But I'm gonna start with this side because I already got the roof ready. The roof is pretty much ready to paint. It's already on the original primer, but I might add another coat of primer just so I can sand it down and make it look nice. Oh, you can see where this car's dirty, and I gotta polish this glass too. It's all fucked. So fucked. What's your shirt say? That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I saw Super Mario World. I was like, bro.
Little what is it?
The periodic table of elements?
Yeah.
Of Super Mario.
Super Mario characters.
That's funny.
Are you gonna paint this one or two, or leave it black?
I might paint it, just for the sake of know the color. Maybe. I'll see. I see. Yeah, I got a lot of work to do on the bumper.
Yeah.
Gotta sand this. I gotta sand this. I gotta take this off. Gotta sand all this stuff to cover up those holes. And yeah, make it look real nice.
Get a VTech badge.
Nah. I'm gonna just leave that like that. This is, I think, the clear coat coming off. Yeah, and then this carbon fiber is warping. Oh no, it's not. It looked like it was, but it's not. But something's coming off of it that I have to put a clear coat on it before anything else. So I'm gonna do this as soon as possible. I'll just cover this side up with some towels for now. But I didn't notice the heat was screwing up the carbon fiber. Maybe because I sanded it down and all the resin, the epoxy resin, this is a thinner layer, so it probably needs a thicker layer of some stuff. But I'll sand it and I'll probably clear coat it. Pretty fucked up, huh?
It's getting there though.
Ice cream. Just kidding. We are going to be tuning the Prelude. This is a P28 converted into a P72. Apparently it controls the IABs. I did not know that. And I can confirm it with a couple of transistors that are installed on the ECU. But got myself a straight piped header. Get to put it on, but this is pretty much it. This is how the Prelude's looking right now. Primer everywhere and scratches everywhere. But yeah, I fixed the shitty Bondo work with even worse Bondo work. You can't see the lines actually. I didn't notice that till now. But it's gonna be repainted. I'm gonna be repainting it. I'm gonna sand it down again and then paint it. Okay, they're getting bigger. But yeah, I gotta close that actually. I cut off the muffler because I'm an idiot. But all the lights are off. No more check engine light. No more. There never was a check engine light, but there was an SRS light. My headlight light is off, the green one, so I have to fix that one. Gotta pull apart the console. All the lights except the, headlight light is not working. It's a little dusty. Brake, door, and I gotta turn it. There we go. Ha! Yep, it's a little dusty, but just work in progress. Like I said, I already got the ECU. I ordered the new chip burner. I ordered the new data logger. I ordered 20 capacitors. I think I ordered a little too many, but yeah, this one on the left I'm assuming burnt out, and I think both of these burnt out, and then I'm gonna be cleaning them off tomorrow and replacing those capacitors with the working ones. Everything seems fine. Nothing else looked like it leaked, just those two. I bought this off eBay. It was non-working. I paid like maybe a fraction of what a working one would cost, but to me it was like, even if I couldn't get it going, I still was gonna get this chip, the socket, the other chip, the rest of these transistors. So it wasn't a bad deal for me. And and now I've been doing a lot of reading, and I know how to convert automatic ECUs to manual. This one's converted from my automatic to a manual. You can see it. And I think it's converted to. It's got the automatic transistors. Not the transistors. It's got the automatic. I guess they are transistors or flip switches, I don't know. So if I were to ever convert this back to automatic, it has them. And it's got my VTech, I think it's I don't know, I think it's a transistor as well. Got the VTech, I got the IAB, Q34, and I think it's Q17. I have it somewhere. I got Q17, Q14, and Q34 are the ones that that control my secondary butterflies. I'm gonna be confirming it with some jumper cables to see if it, some of these pins power on my IABs, which is pretty cool. I was considering, since it was a P28, I was gonna consider just deleting the IABs, but if I could control them, I mean, I'll just keep them. But I was gonna go with a Skunk 2 manifold. I was gonna delete the IABs. I don't know yet. I didn't know yet at the time, but then again, I said I found out how to, even if I didn't have the capabilities to control the IABs. So I guess it is a P72, but it could be a P28. I want to say it's a P28, but I won't know until I hook it up and I start controlling my IABs. But I want to say it's a P28. I already ordered the Burn 2 chip burner, and I already got the Hue log. I think I already said that. It's gonna be fun. Lots of fun. Replacing those 2 capacitors is gonna be a lot of fun. But yeah, this is pretty much what's going on. I got a new rear bumper because the old one had a big dent right here and it spider cracked under all the clear coat. So I got a new rear bumper. I deleted the Prelude because I sanded it down because I was gonna paint it. A lot of these holes are, I sanded them down. I don't know. I might consider just rattle. I might consider rattle canning the whole car. Just for shits and giggles because it's cheaper. But I mean, I might as well just go with the actual paint. See all this old Bondo. This Bondo is trying to, I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing more body work. This is the horrendous muffler delete. I gotta get a new muffler. It's too loud. It was funny today. I pulled up to a BRZ and we were both just sitting here at the stoplight with a shit ton of noise from our engines. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, the engine sounds good. I just changed the oil. I gotta get some heat extractors, that's for sure. But I don't want to cut into the hood. But I don't know. Yeah, get rid of the DC headers because they do absolutely nothing for power. I'm gonna cut into the fender so we can have some air feed into the cold air intake. So it's an actual cold air intake. Right now it's sucking in from nowhere, and it's doesn't really. I'm sure I'll get some considerable gains with the tune. I do want to go. What's it called? Bigger cams. I do want to do a camshaft upgrade. But as of right now, it's just simple mods. I gotta clean out the engine so I can see where there's oil coming from. I don't think the VTEC solenoid is I don't think the VTEC solenoid is leaking, but these cars, I guess, are very they're prone to leaking from the VTEC solenoid. And yeah, there's the IAB solenoid sensors. I'll be doing some troubleshooting and cleaning. It'll be fun. Lots of fun. I need a new battery. That battery's barely holding up charge. But and new headlights too. My headlights are misaligned by a lot. But yeah, so far this is a very fun build. It's a very fast car compared to a lot of other stuff I've driven. Yep. Sounds like there's, I don't know, I want to say it's knock, but I don't think so. I don't know. Anyways, that's an update for today. This is like December 7th, I think. I don't remember. I'll update. I'll put it on the description. Thanks for checking in.